Morning students, today in online class we have started, we are going to start the new chapter, The Foolish Man. Before that I would like to explain you this famous proverb, laughter is the best medicine. Students, as you know that laughter always create a magic on anyone who is suffering with some grief or pain. So here is few, I think two dialogues between the son and the father. I'm going to read it, and definitely it is going to entertain you. Son, why did you sleep in the examination hall? Daddy, you yourself once told me if a question is difficult to answer, don't waste time. Do something else. So I went to sleep. Isn't it funny? Yes, it is very funny. And like if something is not happening, just move away, leave that thing and move away. So that boy has taken a very funny side. He went to sleep. He was not able to do the question paper, so he went to sleep. Now in the next portion, as you can see, it is C1. Here we have to mention the name of few kings who were very much famous with their ministers for their wit and humor, for their wisdom and cleverness. So student, I think one name is very common for everyone. I think everyone among you have heard about this person, that is Akbar. He was one of the famous Mughal emperor of our India, and Akbar has 9 gems in his royal court. Among them, there was one person who was very much famous for his wit and humor. He was Birbal. There are so many fables, not fables actually, there are fictional stories are there about Birbal, which used to read by the readers very with keen interest. These story used to entertain us a lot. So two names I will tell you, and the third one is going to be done by yourself. आप अपने आप करोगे इसको, है ना? Something should be done by you. So one is definitely Akbar and Birbal. Second one will be the Krishnadev Rai and Ramakrishna or Tenali Rama, very popularly known as Tenali Rama. Third one you should do with yourself. Find out something. You are having so many electronic gadgets. You can search it on the Google also. So the next is, here is an interesting play about Birbal, which shows his great sense of wit and humor. Students, as I have discussed in my online class, that a play used to be performed on this stage, and the play is divided into several scenes. This play, The Foolish Man, is also divided into 3 scenes, and definitely if it is a play, there must be some characters, some theme. So the major characters of this play is Akbar, Birbal and 3 foolish men. The first foolish man, second foolish man and the third foolish man. Today I have only discussed the first scene of this play, that is, first I am going to read. See, when I was teaching in my real classroom, the students have performed, last year they have performed this play on the stage, and definitely I will try when we get over from this pandemic situations and we are back to our normal life. Definitely I would like that you should also perform this play. See, this will not only help you in improvising your dialogue delivery or your communication skill. It will enhance your communication skill also, and obviously you will understand it will help you to understand whole chapter very easily, because you were involving yourself in the play. So the first scene is of Emperor Akbar's court. Obviously when we used to perform a play, we used to prepare a stage and a scene. The related stuffs are prepared. If there is a royal court, obviously there must be a throne, the ministers, and in this play also the first scene was in Akbar's court, where Akbar was walking in his court or sitting in the throne, whatever, and he was thinking about something. Suddenly he started smiling and he started dialogue. What he has spoken, let's see. Akbar, Birbal, Akbar was addressing Birbal. Birbal, as I told you that Akbar was having 9 gems, the persons who belong from different walks of life, they are the masters of their professions. Uh, they belongs to Akbar's royal court. Among them, Birbal was one of them. Now, Birbal, do you think you can find me the 5 most foolish men in Agra? Birbal. I told you that Birbal was very much famous for his wisdom, cleverness, and his wit and humor as well. So he, without getting disturbed, answered, I'll try, my lord. Now, the scene 1 is over here. And now, scene 2 is started, and the scene started with where Birbal is walking through the streets of Agra, looking around carefully. He sees a man lying on his back in the puddle of water, his arms stretched wide above his head. There was a man who was lying. Birbal, after getting the order of finding the policeman in Agra, was moving in the streets of Agra, and at one place he find that there is a person who is lying on the ground in puddle of water, who stretching his arms over the head and was trying to get out of that puddle of water, but he was not using his hand. This was very much annoying, as you can say that Birbal was surprised to see that if that person is trying to get out of that water, why he is not using his hand. So he went to the man and asked Birbal, what are you trying to do? The man, I am trying to stand up. I slipped and fell into this puddle while I was to buy some clothes for my wife. He was trying to get out of the water, but was not using his hand because he was having a measurement of a cloth through his hands, and he thought if he will change the position, he will forget the measurement of the cloth which his wife was demanding. Okay, so he said that I will lose the measurement of the length of the cloth my wife wants. He will hold the fellow by the hair and set him on his face. So, by certain position, Birbal helped that person to get on his feet and helped him from getting from that water. The man said, okay. Now the man was very much obliged, and he said, thank you, thank you. His arms still above his head, but he obviously convey his regards to Birbal, but he didn't change his position. You have really helped me. Now, but Birbal understand that he is one of the person whom he is in search of. He was exactly the person whom Akbar wants to see. So he told him, please come with me. Students, we have done till now, and after that we are going to continue it on tomorrow's class or in the next class. While today I have also scheduling one reading class for section class 4. So if you are interested, you can, that will be a doubt class also. So if you are interested, you can join me in evening 5 p.m. Today. So this is for all, and try to be attend these classes.